Vuurwerk. Boom. Bim, boom. Nou, lekker brokjes eten. Nou, lekker brokjes, hè. Flock animal that he is. He lately only eats when I'm there, or I have to really leave him alone. Like, I'm really gone all evening. Then he'll have eaten his dinner, but I'm sure under protest. There's already fireworks outside, so he's a bit insecure. But just a bit. In the old days, he used to go outside with me at 12 o'clock, when I was still awake then. And he and his African grey brother were awake as well. Going like, there's all these people outside having a party in the middle of the night. Let's go take a look. And these days, Ricky's already asleep at 10:30 or something. Well, that wasn't a lot of pellets that you ate there. He's working on the nest. I already dimmed the lights because it's sleepy time. Time to go in there. We're still watching a little Scooby-Doo.